Hi friends, welcome to our Children's Health YouTube channel. Today we'll see how to maintain the record of each student's profile in the school. See, in the conventional method, we are maintaining with the hard copies of every student profile. It will become very difficult for the teachers to distribute the student profile whenever they require, because they may need to search where it is, and if suppose teachers resigns the job, then it will be big headache for the senior teachers to find out their respective students profile. So for this reason we can have one easy option, that is like storing entire students profile in a single Excel file. That will be very easier to search for a particular students with the help of name, and also it is very easy to give like a hard copy with a printout within a seconds. So let's see how to do that. See, whatever you are seeing on the screen, this is the conventional method of doing the things using the Word file. See, this is the student's profile, and whatever we are seeing at the top, this is the like school name and symbols and all. Here I have just taken the example. If you take student's profile, we'll be having too many fields like name, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, admission number, caste, mother tongue, ration card, etc, etc. So for each students we may need to maintain each page. Like if we take a single class, it might be like 32 pages or say 50 pages. How many students will be there in the class? Say for example, we may need to maintain for whole high school, maybe 3 classes into 4 section, 3 into 4, it is 12 classes, 12 class into 50 students. It will be more than 600 numbers, so it is very difficult to maintain in the hard copy formats. So let's see how to maintain in the Excel file and how easy to retrieve the data whenever we need. So I'll take same example, and see here I have already made the format. I'll just go through like how to fill this example. See here what I am doing, I'll just replicate the same thing whatever there in the Word file into the Excel format. So I think it is little bit time consuming. I have already done for this, so I'll just copy the same thing from this file. What I will do, I'll just copy student's profile. And this is a bit easy, I think everyone can do. Like student's profile, it's all in uppercase letters with underline option that is there over here, and centralized, that is this option. So next comes to the fields which we need to add it in the student's profile. See, these are all the fields like name, father's name, mother's name. For timing, I'll just consider till address. I'll just copy it. Same thing, I'll going to paste it over here. So then format is ready. Only thing is that like last row which says like the above said details are all correct. This one also I'll going to copy it, then I'll paste it over here. See, now format is ready. This format, it depends on the school how exactly it should be there, and this is the general practice and general format. So then second thing is that like If we take single class, we might be having like more than 30 students, and whatever the field that we have mentioned in this format, like name, father's name, mother's name, that should come in the second page, but in the column wise it has to come. This also I have example, I'll just copy it from over here. Like see, same, first row is student name and second row in the first page is father's name, that I have kept it in second column. So I'll just copy all these things. So I'll just paste it over here. Then comes like who all the students are there in the classroom, that we need to just enter the names and related details like father's name, mother's name and all. This also it is readily available for me, so I'll just copy as it is whatever there in my example sheet. I'll say copy, come to sheet 2, place the cursor over here, then say Ctrl V, paste. So basically if we take the student's name Manasa G, Gangadhara Nagaratnama is the like father's name and mother's name, date of birth we have written in numerical way as well as in the word format, like gender, everything it is there. Wherever it is not there, I'll just kept it like blank, so that now even in student's profile format also we can get the same dash like thing. So now actual work it will going to start. We'll come back to sheet 1. See in this format how we're going to design this format means like if we select the student's name, automatically those details should come over here. So let's see how to do that. First of all, we'll just place the cursor in front of name field, then we'll go to data, then data validation. Here we need to select under the allow session list, then it will ask for source, then we'll need to click over here, then it will ask for which are all the list of students that we need to select. So now we'll come back to sheet 2, then we'll place the cursor at Manasa, then we'll drag it down till maybe 100, 200, some whatever that we need. Say suppose if we need for 500 students, you just drag it till 500 rows, then just say enter, it will come, say OK. See now you can see the pull down menu over here. If we select over here, you can find whatever the names that we have typed in the sheet 2. So now we can select Manasa, but no details are replicating over here because we have not applied the formula yet. See, as soon as we entered Manasa G, we are not getting any fields related to Manasa because we have not entered the formula. Now we will enter the formula. Say is equal to, then VLOOK, lookup, you just double tap, then in the formula bar itself it will show bracket is open. After bracket open, it says lookup value. Lookup value, you should select this cell, then say comma, then it will ask for table array. Table array means need to go sheet 2, then from this, except that heading student's name, father name, we need to select entire table that we have selected last time till 100, till there we need to select this. then we should say comma, then it will ask for column index number. In this sheet, column index number means we are entering the formula for father name. So father name belongs to second column. This is first column, this is second column. Here we should say 2, then say comma, then for true or false you should say 0, close the bracket, say enter. See, for Manasaji we have got Gangadhar. Likewise, if we change the student's name, we are going to get related father's name. So whatever the formula that we have applied over here, same formula we can copy. See, you just copy this, Control V, enter, Control V, enter. Same thing for all the things. First you just say control copy and paste, then we will see what is the formula that we need to change. So I am just pasting the formula for all the fields. I think that's it. So if you see now, for all the fields it is showing Kamarkhan, 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 because here we have not changed the formulas. Here we will change the formula. In this now, mother's name, we look up D3 means student's name. Next, sheet 2 A4 P100, that means it is the entire table that we have selected from here to row 100. That should be common for all the things. Then it comes to column index, means mother's name belongs to which column index. See, father's name belongs to second, 1, 2, and mother's name belongs to third. Likewise, date of birth belongs to fourth, then gender belongs to fifth. So now mother name belongs to third column. Here we should say mother's name column index 2. In place of 2 we should say 3. Just say enter. See, came. Now press F2, use arrow key, backspace, 4, enter. F2, sorry, say F2, one, two, three, 4. No, it is wrong, it is 5 actually. Then it will come 6. There is no much difficulty over here. We just need to understand the logic, that's all. That's it. So entire thing it came. So in this case now, see, if we change some other name, like now we'll just select Anil, related to Anil, what are all the things that is there. If you see in front of Anil, there is nothing, so that's why it is not showing any details. So probably we'll select for Kim Singh. Let's see what it will show. See, it is showing. So in this case now, page setup, it is already been done. I think you might be knowing. In the page layout, we can select like page size. Here I have selected A4. Then if you come to view, here there is like normal. Normal means while giving the print, you may need to select whether printable area is selection or active sheet. It's better to have it active sheet. This shows active sheet. If you want to increase, we need to have space on the right side. We can just extend this one like this. So this is what the thing. So whoever the student's name that you are having, if you fill over here and related details, you can get it instantly. See, suppose some students like Manasa, she came and she is asking for student profile. You can immediately, you can say Manasa, then details will come. You just say Control P and give the print. So even if you know the exact name with spellings now, then it is easy. I think it will work out, I feel. See, it is coming. If you enter name correctly as per the whatever records that you have typed in the sheet 2, if you type it, it will show exactly whatever that you need. Friends, that's all about this regarding students profile. If you need any more details regarding this Excel sheet, you can write it in comments column. We'll just get back to you.